Hello, I have a bit of a DIY project to do later on. So, we've come down to the beach to collect some things that we need for it. So come on, come and join us as we go beachcombing. Last week we had lots of heavy storms. There's a full moon, some big tides, and also it was the autumn equinox. That means the weather and the seas and the storms are really rough. That has meant there's been a load of seaweed and debris and things washed up on the beach. Ideal for beachcombing. Great fun. Let's go for a rummage. All this kelp and seaweed washed up would be brilliant for making seaweed wine. With all this wonderful seaweed and kelp that's been washed up to the shore, I'm going to grab a bag or two so I can add it to the compost heap, then spread it all over my rhubarb patch. It's great for fertilising your plants. Rhubarb loves seaweed. This burst of nutrients would be fantastic for them. Or I might just eat it. Now these are what I'm after. Little shells. Well, a lot has changed since we last went to the beach. We have a baby, and I can't wait to take him down to the beach for a play in the sand and the sea. I've bought a bucket and spade set for them already. Can't wait to use it. I'm sure that these toys are more for parents than they are for children. Big kid. Anyway, DIY, yes, DIY. Favourite subject? I have a window to patch up. It's the bathroom window, it's only a small one, and over the past few years the wind and rain have got to it a bit. So it's become a bit rotted on the outside. So it's going to be a simple putty job, patch it up, and you'll see what the shells are for in a bit when I get round to it. Come on, let's go find the putty. Anyway, here is the window in question. It's only tiny, only small. So next job, go and put the putty in. Come on. Sun shining, perfect day to put the putty in. Wee bit windy, storms tomorrow, so I'm hoping it's going to dry okay. Come on. And I've run out of putty. Typical. Did half a job done, and I didn't have enough putty. Oh well, you'll have to wait for another dry, sunny day. Awesome. Right, going to check on the baby, check on the wife, put dinner in the oven, so I'll see you all soon.